Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to create a Ypay QR code now. Log into your updated Ypay app and confirm two-factor authentication so the app trusts your device. Once signed in, make sure any merchant or payment receiving features are enabled. These unlock the QR tools. Then open the Payments or QR section. This is where you start the code creation process. Don't waste time on settings you've already done. Jump straight to Generate QR to begin entering transaction details. Now configure the QR specifics. Select whether the code should be a fixed amount or open amount for the payer to enter. Once you pick Fixed, enter the currency and exact value. If open, leave amount blank and add an invoice ID for tracking. Add a brief description and set an expiration time like 24 hours to avoid stale codes. Make sure the receiving bank or account is linked and require a receipt or payer verification so payments reconcile cleanly. Finish by previewing the QR and doing a quick test scan with a second device to confirm amount and description. Once satisfied, save or export the QR as a PNG or PDF or share directly via chat or email. For in-person sales, print or display on screen at the POS. If a payer can't scan, troubleshoot. Make sure Ypay has camera permission, confirm your merchant settings and app version, and regenerate the QR if account linkage changed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.